we're looking at solving for x in x minus ax equals 2 plus b. First off, whenever we look at a problem and we see multiple x's, whether they're on the same side of the equation or on different sides, we know that we have clones of x's, and that means that we're going to have to undistribute or factor. I also want to see, are they on the same side, and is everything else on the other side? And it is. And so in order to make non-clones or only one of these, I'm going to do the distributive property backwards. So the thing they have in common is the x, so I'm going to pull that out. And so if I were to redistribute this, this would be a 1 because x times 1 is x. And this would be an a because x times a is ax. All right, normally I wouldn't do this, but because I kind of wrote that weird, I'm just going to fix the way that it looks, even though that's kind of a wasted step. Now I have 1x, I don't have clones, and I need to get rid of 1 minus a, so I'm going to divide by 1 minus a. These cancel, and I'm left with x equals 2 plus b over 1 minus a. Now, a lot of times with our fraction answers, if you recall from the first half of the module, we got multiple versions. There is really only one version of this, other than if you want to flip-flop some of these numbers and variables. What you can't do is split this into two fractions because the denominator has two terms. If you remember, we would sometimes say like x plus y over z is the same as x over z plus y over z. But that was only because the denominator had one term. We don't have that ability here, not to mention we already have an answer, so we probably would leave it like this, and this is our answer.